Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see who isn't following you back on Instagram. Keeping track of your Instagram followers and unfollowers can help you maintain a curated social circle. And this is how you can find out who isn't following you back. Method 1, you can use the Instagram application. So unfortunately the Instagram doesn't directly notify you about unfollowers, but you can manually check it by using the steps. You can now just open the Instagram application and then go to your profile. So tap on the photo profile at the bottom right corner, and then you can just tap on the follower list in here to see who is following you. And after that, you can go back to your profile, and then or you can just directly tap on this following to see the accounts you follow. You can look for specific account to check if they are in both lists. So you can just search, click on this search bar at the top, and then you can just find the username. So if an account you follow doesn't appear in the follower list, they aren't following you back. Okay, so that's the first method. The second method, you can use a third-party application. Several apps can help you track unfollowers more efficiently, but be cautious because when you are using these apps, you need to avoid sharing sensitive information. So there are some popular third-party applications that you can download. You can go to the Play Store, and on Android there are follow meter or followers and unfollowers. You can just search for it using this keyword, followers and for this one. This is one of the most popular, and also the follow meter. But if you're on iOS, you can use the followers tracker. So if you want to use this application, you can just download it from the Play Store or App Store. Log in with your Instagram account credentials, and you can go to the unfollower section to see accounts that you follow but don't follow you back. So the third method, or the last method that you can do, is using a spreadsheet or manual tracking. You can export your following list. You can create a list of accounts you follow by manually noting them down or copying the data into a spreadsheet, and then export the followers list. You can do the same for accounts that follow you, and then you can just use spreadsheet tools to find discrepancies between the two lists. So you can just compare the lists. You need to note that if you want to use a third-party apps, you need to log in using your login details. So you need to choose trusted and well-reviewed apps, and you can also do manual checking. So while time consuming, manually checking your list is the safest method. And if someone's account is private, you may not be able to see if they've unfollowed you without using tools. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.